Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set a limit order on your iPhone in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website right here, eToro.com. If you're using your browser, if you're using the mobile application, it's going to work exactly the same. I'm going to walk you through that as well. So once you open it up, you're going to see the join eToro option. That's going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in normally using the login button. That once you have logged into your account, is going to enable you to access your eToro right here, from where you're going to see a new menu, and at the bottom of the screen you're going to be able to see all the menu options if you're using the application where you can access your portfolio, wallet, and so on. So how do we set a limit order? Here we have the step-by-step on the official eToro Help Center. We have an article on how to set a limit order, so it works the same for a mobile phone as well. You're going to choose the instrument and bring up a trade window. So open up your portfolio and choose the instrument you want to set the limit order for. So once you go ahead and choose if you want a buy or short position, you can go ahead and do that and then click on the order type and switch to limit order. On your mobile device, it's going to look similar to this. This is the web version, as you can see right here. Then you're going to enter the limit price you want the order to be executed at and enter the dollar amount you wish to invest and what you want the limit order to be. So edit the stop loss and take profit and leverage if applicable, and then click confirm order. That's going to enable you to confirm that order, and that is how you go ahead and place a limit order on your iPhone or mobile device. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.